Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. This video, I'll be showing you how to apply for a Costco credit card. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to apply for a Costco credit card here, or you're just looking for a way to access the application process, well, this one is going to be quite easy. Now, there are two ways for you to apply for a Costco credit card. Now, the first option here is by asking for a representative at an actual Costco location. So, meaning you may want to go to your local Costco wholesale here and see if they do provide the service of setting you up with a Costco credit card. Now, if you don't want to go to Costco itself, well, you could also access the application process via their website. So, this is the second way. So first thing that you want to do is you want to go to Costco.com and you want to go to the membership section. So if you hover over it, you should see a bunch of things like join today, renew membership, and also credit card. Let's go and choose credit card. Now from here, it's going to say visit external link. Let's go and click on visit external link. Now this will redirect you to the official website for Costco's credit card. Now the thing with this one is they do have a partnership with Citi cards here. So basically you are going to get a Citi card, but it's a Costco Anywhere Visa. So, but then again, this is more of a partnership with Citi. So in this case, you want to go and just choose whichever card that you want to get. So if you want to know pricing information, benefits, and terms and conditions, you could go and click on the appropriate links. Now, for example, you may want to apply for the Costco Anywhere Visa card by Citi. So you can click on apply now. Now, this will redirect you to another page here, which should allow you to fill out some details about yourself. And also, you may want to provide certain details about yourself regarding the approval process. So, in this case, it's going to ask you, are you a Costco member? You can answer yes, continue, or no, sign up. So if you choose the yes, continue option here, you can go ahead and just start the application process. Now, if you don't have a Costco account yet, you may need to create one before you can proceed with this one. Now, from here, just provide the following details like the Costco membership number, your personal information, your address and phone, authorized user and security words, and other information about yourself. Now, remember, make sure all information is correct in here so that they can process your application a lot easier. And you could go and just click on agree and submit, and this will submit your application. Now, this might take a few days or a few hours for them to review. So in this case, you just need to wait for them to reach out to you via email, and you should be pretty much good to go. And that's about it. So if you found this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.